So this is G. Hughes original barbecue sauce. There's that right there. Sweet Baby Ray's sweet teriyaki. That one right there. And then the piece of sausage was G's too. So here's the taste test here. The G's. Sugar free. It's pretty good. I mean, it's not bad. 2 carbs. With some macros on it. You can't beat that. Drink plenty of water to get rid of that salt. I'm gonna clean my palate here. Okay. Garlic bread. Alright, here's the Sweet Baby Ray's. Not bad. To be honest, all I tasted was char. So there's a meaty part there. Yeah. It's not bad. Here are the macros on that. 35 calories for 1 tablespoon. So that's not bad. 10 calories per 2 tablespoons, so yeah. 70 calories for the same size of barbecue sauce. So you're saving yourself 60 calories. Not bad. And it's got 90 milligrams more sodium per serving. 8 grams of sugar. There's no sugar in that, so I mean, it's not bad. I just, I can't taste the difference, really. I mean, that's teriyaki, obviously, that's barbecue, but if you want barbecue, it doesn't taste like a sugar-free, some stuff tastes sugar-free, then why not go with this, sugar-free, cut corners is all I'm saying. But the G. Hughes original is pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. Definitely a rebuy, 5 out of 5.